Hey guys, I'm at Shanghai International Motor Show 2023. Super excited to be here at one of the biggest convention centers in the world, Shanghai Convention Center. It's also called China National Convention Center in Hongqiao, near Hongqiao Airport. This motor show is gonna be ongoing for around 10 days. I'm very lucky to get the tickets to enter the first day. So let's go check it out. What are the most exciting models that's gonna be launched today at the show? It's pretty early right now, so I can already foresee it's gonna be super crowded with a lot of media, press, and dealerships coming from all over the world. Let's go check it out.
I just took a floor plan from the information center to make sure I don't get lost. We can see here on the first floor there's SAIC Motor Group. It's the largest Chinese state-owned car maker. In addition to the joint venture brands SAIC, Volkswagen, and Audi, it also has its own brands Huawei and Maxus. We also see IM here, which is a partnership between SAIC and the Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba. It's a premium electric vehicle. We also have the acquired British brand MG here. Moving on to the next exhibition hall, we see Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, and also quite interesting, this brand, Skyworth, is actually one of the most well-known Chinese home appliance brands. I guess they also start making cars now. Moving next, we see Geely Group, the parent company of the Swedish brand Volvo. We also got Hongqi here. It's originally actually only served for the high-ranking Chinese government officials. And next, we see the top 3 Chinese EV leaders, NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, and there's also Zeeker, Lynk & Co., which are the new EV brands under Geely Group as well. On the other side of the first floor, there's BYD, currently the most valuable Chinese car company by market cap. It's worth $100 billion US dollars, as well as the third largest automakers in the world. And of course, how could you leave a motor show without seeing the luxury cars? Lamborghini, Porsche, Bentley. Going up to the second floor, here we've got some brands from Guo Motors, Tank and Wei. There's also Genesis, that's a premium brand from Hyundai Group. Other big names on the second floor, Toyota, Ford, Kia, and also this rising electric vehicle brand Ion by GAC Group, Guangzhou Automotive Group. And next there's Nissan, Dongfeng Motors, as well as Exceed, Chery, Jetour, all by Chery Group, one of the biggest automotive group in China from Anhui province. There's also Huawei. They say they don't make cars, but they consider themselves as tier 0, providing some connected vehicle solutions. And in this hall, we also see some auto parts, autonomous driving solutions, technology brands. Alright, enough of the floor plan. I can't wait to get in and see the real cars.
When you hear this music, you know it's time to go home. I've been here since morning. It's been 8-9 hours. Can't feel my legs anymore. So for whoever that's coming, my tip is prepare your legs. I can't feel my legs anymore. Today was an exciting day. Saw a lot of new cars, new models. So clearly one day is not enough to see everything. So probably gonna come back here tomorrow. Let me know if there's any brands that you want to see, any new cars. So leave a comment below and I'm gonna check it out for you. Bye!